Welcome back, guys. What's up? Welcome back to the channel. Day two. You see how the machines are looking right now. So once again, guys, we were at Brimstone Recreation. So yesterday we hit Trail 1. Me and the wife got a little sideways for a second. Nick was hauling through. You'll see that on the footage from day 1, so check that out. But day 2, so we're gonna hit a few other, try to change some trails up. But the main Trail 1 is, I think you guys were saying, like, would kind of like take you to everything, right?
Yeah, the main trail.
Yeah, so
it's the green trail, kind of like the easier one.
Yeah,
it kind of branches off into red and blue depending on what difficulty you want to hit.
Yeah, so guys, like Brian said yesterday, if you're a beginner, stay on green, maybe some blue, maybe have an iPhone, okay? Because the Android app has not been updated. So, but yeah, it's a great time. We highly, would you recommend?
I would.
First time in like some real trails, and my wife here, so she's been in the dunes, but you know, we got a little 2-year-old, so it's kind of hard for us to both ride all the time. But yeah, Nick, any remarks from this trail?
It's definitely interesting first out-of-state ride, and honestly, it's been awesome. I love the rocks. I just love all the different terrain we've gone through on these trails.
Yeah, no, for sure.
Oh, I like the same thing, just to make sure the low pressure on the tires.
Yeah, we had a couple guys we were running with, my family actually, and they were running at high pressure. So I would not run more than maybe 12 pounds here, because you know it's a mix. You got rock climbing, you got pebbles, you got rocks, big rocks, boulders you're going over, some mud. So you want to keep it at that medium kind of softness. So just some tips, you know, kind of, we like to keep it fairly informational for those that have never been here. So cool places. They got a few other places around too. Some Tacky Creek and Royal Blue, other stuff you can go to. So yeah, so we'll get to ride and we'll see you guys in a minute.
How was your ride?
boys. How was that?
It's fun.
Fun?
Adrenaline rush. Little climb we did.
You know it. I think this thing does pretty good out here. So
yeah.
The funny thing is, guys, we actually think sometimes you can actually have a disadvantage with the 72s other than being tight. These ruts, like me and this machine right here, this RZR 4-seater, we went just right up the middle, and it was nothing. But this guy, were you in the ruts?
Oh yeah.
Oh, he was all up in the boys.
I was a little.
He was a little sideways, so that does make a difference. So whatever machine you have, just know you're gonna be,
pick your machine on the kind of riding you're gonna do.
Yeah. So that'll help you guys, kind of pick wherever you ride. If there's some crappy ruts or some, crappy trails, you might want a slimmer machine. It depends on where you're at. So, yeah, we're just gonna keep riding, having a good time. You doing good, babe?
I'm doing great.
She's doing good in the red limo.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I was a little scared, but I'm good.
Yeah, we went up. We did it though. But this thing's a beast. All right, so yeah, we're gonna continue to go and have a good time.
Let's go, guys.
Woo! This view right here.
They said there wasn't a good view here, but look at this.
Taking pics. Where are we at again?
Brimstone Rec area.
Brimstone,
in Huntsville, Tennessee.
Huntsville, Tennessee. Come on out and get this
just
view.
Off Trail 3.
What was it?
Just off Trail 3 at Red Trail 50. So for all the crazy people that like all the hard, difficult stuff that we don't want to do today, this is for you.
Say again, brother.
This is something we should do today. It's the last day.
Go big or go home?
Go big and go home.
He said go big and go home.
I was about to say we're going home tomorrow. So.
Yes, sir. Feeling good, bud?
Feeling great.
All right. Okay.
See the world from here.
Yeah, no, this is definitely a viewpoint. And this was off, you said 3?
Off 3, just at 50, which is a red trail. So one of the extreme ones. As you can see, just looking down.
Yeah, no, it's wild up here, but it's definitely worth coming up here. So, yeah, keep you guys trying to motivate you guys to get outdoors. Let's go.
man. 2 days of nothing but mud.
Nothing but mud. All right, guys. So that is our final video for this trip, at least, right?
Plenty more to come.
Brimstone Recreation, highly recommended. Definitely bring your family out here. Bring your buddies, your wife, your girlfriend, whatever you got. Bring them out here, and it's a lot to see. You like they said, it's big enough to where, like we can all say, I got this like squad behind me. You see that? Don't mess with no. Yeah, no. But you can hit a trail where you really won't see the same one twice unless you stay on the main one. So yeah. Anybody got any words of inspiration for the people that's seeking?
Got me a Brimstone
Get a little closer.
red dust mask. They
Yes.
sell them at the Brimstone Welcome Center.
Definitely come geared up. Come geared up.
Guys, if you guys come, make sure to check out the viewpoints. Get some awesome pictures and footage there.
Yeah.
Other than that, really pay attention to your map. And again, like we said before, the Android app showed some trails that were moderate, and on the iPhone, that same trail showed red. So just keep that in mind. Just double check if you have preferably use an iPhone for the trails, just because we found that the iPhone app to be more accurate.
Yeah.
I will say this. When you come out here, God's creation is beautiful. That's the best scenery that you can see, is riding these trails. Come out here with open mind, ride fearless, have fun. That way you ain't worried about messing up, breaking something. Just ride the trails and enjoy it.
Brother Mark.
Yeah.
Hey, you better listen to me. He talking about breaking something. I broke everything today. My back, my knee,
Well, let him
and
know.
my machine. Well, let me tell you something. That thing on.
Oh, it's
Is it recording?
It's good. Good to go. Speak your mind.
WB, CNW, Channel 10. Let me get my own show. I'm talking about let me get my own show, please. I do what you tell me now.
All right, guys. So remember,
Alabama brawling.
Alabama. Remember, guys. Once again, great adventures. Come out here, make memories with your family, friends,
What?
whatever.
What?
Your family. Throw the hat up. And remember, guys, your next venture is one step away.
Till next time, guys.